Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to lock apps on Android. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to go to our settings. Our Android phones may be different, but all of it goes as follows. We're all going to go to our security and privacy, and from there we're going to scroll down, and as you can see, there is special features that says AppLocks. And from there, we're going to input our password, and from there we can choose on what applications we want to lock or put passwords on. With that, let's say I'm going to lock Airbnb. But with that, please make sure that AppLock is enabled on your phone. Going to go to AppLock, and from there, we're going to input our password. And make sure that AppLock here is enabled. Now, as we all remembered, we locked Airbnb. So we're going to press Airbnb, and now as you can see, it is locked and needs a password for us to access this application. And that's how you lock applications or apps on Android phone. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.